Hey YouTube, Siam here. So it's pretty damn late and the kids are next door, so I've got to be quiet. But basically I'm only going to be saying this once, and I'm only sharing this video because I think it's better to be aware and prepared, and for nothing to happen rather than being ignorant and unprepared and then getting wrecked from out of nowhere. So this video isn't because I want to spread FUD. This is just a guy sharing what he's seeing. That's it. So take this as a singular data point, but basically what I'm seeing is a potential clusterfuck playing out on Bitcoin. Something like a 30 to a 60% short-lived drop followed by a V reversal. But if that happens, so many other cryptos will crash harder. Part of me hopes I'm wrong, and you can all laugh at me if it doesn't play out. That's cool. But the trader in me is almost hoping it does happen, because it will be a gift which you could sidestep your portfolio if Bitcoin breaches that $40,000 linchpin, and then rebuy a lot more tokens towards the lows and leapfrog your own personal net worth. I'm not saying that this is a high probability outcome yet, but this could be a bigger fractal of what Bitcoin did in March 2020. But it's something we should all be aware of. This is the last time I'll mention this, because I really don't want to be accused of spreading unnecessary fear, and please don't kill the messenger. So what I'm basically seeing, in fact I put some I shared my students this. I went in a lot more detail and wrote a massive sort of essay about it, but this is what happened with Bitcoin in 2020. We had a really nice rally. We then had a bit of a topping pattern. We then had a collapse followed by a bit of a desperation gasp. Then we had a mini bottoming pattern over here. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders with a mini rally rallying into a very obvious head and shoulders, followed by an absolute just waterfall. But then a very sharp V reversal within about a month or so. And then if you were to extend that chart of Bitcoin, what then happened straight after that V reversal was more rallying. So what then happened? So this is what happened 2020, and I think this could play out. So we've got this nice rally. So as you know, we've all been rallying rather nicely into this over here. 2, a topping pattern. 3, a collapse with a bit of a desperation gasp here, not as pronounced as the last one. 4, a mini bottoming pattern over here with a mini rally, and this mini rally is moving into this obvious, very obvious head and shoulders. Now we are on that sort of linchpin, as I said over here. If you look at this right now, when you look at base support and this support level, we are smack bang on this support level. We have a confluence of support here, which generally is quite strong when you have a confluence of support. But if we breach below sort of, let's call it 40,000, because there's going to be another psychological level here. If we breach 40k, we'll see a very rapid falling down to 30 and potentially more, because technically when you're looking at a head and shoulders, it's the distance between sort of the neckline to the head. So if you're looking at this, it's basically call it $20,000. So we're then really looking at 20,000 over here. I really don't think it will happen. Not this far. I can see 30,000. Yeah, I mean there's a hard support there, somewhere along here. But I'm just saying, this is also tying in with what I believe with stocks. I think stocks are in for a massive fall. I mean, you have to look at what billionaires are doing. Billionaires are selling stock like never seen before, and CEOs across the country or across the world are selling up their stock. So yeah, this is my last video about this. Just wanted to put it out there, and I won't be talking about this again. Please don't kill the messenger. Hope this helps. Bye.